Let's go.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
If I'ma sell a story, I bring the facts in. I hate rapping, I love the reaction. And I don't stunt cause my budget is maxing. And if you think I'm small, you need to get your ass kicked. It's time for an introduction, I'm crazy. I spoke with myself, he said fuck you, baby. I bust a nut in the butt of my lady. Said that shit just to make you say he's crazy. The chip on my shoulder beginning to outweigh me. If I ever make it, I'll be driving to Roswell, leaving in a spaceship. I gotta explore, leave my seat in different places. I rock shoes with no laces. Not for the style, kill the beat, tied it up. It's my hot shit now. Balls in my court, I guess I box them out. I'm so hot, man, it's still trying to calm me down. I'm trying to lounge with no worries. It's early in my life, long hour, longer nights. Now owning my life, this shit's about to end. I'll carry on for the night. I'm a survivor, want him on my side, bruh. Pass me lighter, I got higher. Put some skinny jeans on the walk on the wire. Cause that's the industry, I should speak of a higher. In fact, that's the spot which I plan to retire. On fire, drowning in my own spirit with latex Barbie and an old school Method Man. Hit 2 J's in the Method Man remix. R&R and then back to being same on me shit. I don't fan the flame show, I feed them. I break into your house and play your games until I beat them. I'll sleep in your bed and eat all your cheeses and sign your Facebook real big, that's me, bitch. You see, I'm a nut, there's no doubt about it. My last visit to the doctor was some kind of outing. I'm like, yo doc, I hear voices shouting. He's like, look son, sit down and rest. I hear coming out your chest. Nurse get the, yo he's close to death. I 5 shots and hold his neck. Just listen to his heartbeat, it's so direct. I give him just to ease his death. I'm like, stop doc, I know I'm sick cause all over his shit, then I bounce off the table like a ball. Stand up, butt naked, yelling till I fall. Get up, run through the halls, bouncing off the walls. Stop by the morgue, I killed them all. Yo, I've been sick since I've been shit. Hopped out my dad's set, crushed his dreams and his wishes. I told him, got you, pops. I knew I didn't. Daddy, you got any popsicles? No, I didn't. Why you bugging me? He hugging me. You want some of me? Come get some of me. I slap a fall a kid. Yo, the kid's tough. Shit, he ain't winning like this. Look, a trick, a magic trick. Poof. Behind his ear an ice cream stick. Yummy, chocolate, you wanna bite of it? I eat it all, go buy one then. Look, mommy ate it right in front of me. Stop whining, go to bed, yo, you're bugging me. Ha, 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 don't cry now. Yours is in the fridge, so pipe down. Tell your mama come get it right now. What now? I bust out the door, the stairs I barely touch now. Must transport somewhere to lunch out, maybe to the mall to ball hard and bust out of department store boxes. What now? Run around local in a dumb crowd, then shop till I'm fly just for sky miles. Soon going off to the next level in the slow lane, 2 feet on the right pedal. Hand in a skirt, I didn't see the light was yellow. Shit, I didn't see that other fellow. Yeah, you guessed it, her side was crashed. Think her head is inside the dash. I jumped out the wreckage in all sorts of confusion. Like, bitch, you got blood on my socks, what are you doing? Then I steal a bike and pedal like no one's pursuing. I find that amusing. I'm not your average rapper, no comparison. Before or after, a Sagittarius not aiming for apples. It's hard to be a Mac if you ain't hanging with apples. I don't chew like the worm to the apple. Really, dude? You keep saying the word apple. Apple Dutch, apple Remy, apple bottom jeans make that ass look friendly. You gain weight, here's some applesauce. I hope it makes you look skinny. Apples, Timmy. I roll a fat blunt, make it look skinny. My bag's half full, no it never looks empty. My gun's cocked pointed to my skull, don't tempt me. You think I wanna die? You don't get me. Let's